This is a video that's very important for a lot of people. If you suffer with any type of headache, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Now, there are several different types of headaches. The very most common type of headache is the simple tension headaches. Those types of headaches are the type of headaches that you feel like somebody's grabbing you from behind and pulling your head back. And actually what happens is the muscles in the back of your head get overstressed and they literally pull on the nerves that come out of your neck and go back into the base of your skull, making those knotted tension headaches start. And those things can actually get so bad that they can cause migraines in some people. The second type of headaches are something we call cluster headaches. Those are headaches that tend to occur in bunches for whatever reason. Now, medicine doesn't know much about why these types of headaches occur, but what we've found is the treatments in our office are very effective at getting rid of both tension and cluster headaches. The last type of headache that we know about is something called a migraine. Now, if you suffer with migraine headaches, you don't need me to explain it to you. But let me just tell the other folks who are listening right now, a migraine is a type of a headache that is almost debilitating for the person who suffers with it. These types of headaches are well known to have some sort of an episode that precedes the actual pain of a migraine. We call that a prodromal incident. So they may smell something or see a fuzzy light or see wavy lines just before they get these headaches that literally put these people to bed. They can't work, they can't function, and some people actually get sick as a result of these headaches. Now let me talk to you about the causes of these headaches. Number one cause that we find in our office is a misalignment of the bones that are in the base of the neck and the neck itself. Now in chiropractic care, what we do is we work very, very hard to realign those bones and release the pressure on the nerve system. You can see in this model, we have a bone, a disc, and another bone. From the top, you can see very clearly this little yellow thing is the spinal cord, which starts at the base of your neck, right at the base of your skull, and goes all the way down into your lower back. So wherever the spinal cord goes, it branches off with these spinal nerves that you can see from the side that the disc, the bone, and the bone below make. There's a hole there. And that hole, if it gets closed down by any twisting or shearing force, say you have a whiplash or constant neck stress, that can cause headaches as well. Chiropractic is virtually the best thing that you can do to get rid of those types of headaches. So we have chiropractic as an option in our office, and we also have medical care because we do have nurse practitioners and medical doctors who service here. That means for you that you can come to one location, get your medical care. So if you need regular medication to get rid of migraine headaches, we have that. If you need injection therapy, we also have that. And we have a wonderful new therapy, which is over 90% effective for migraine sufferers, that's called a nerve block. Now that migraine blocker is where we put a small tube into your nose. We're not literally using a needle. It's a flexible tube that injects the nerve right back here that can cause migraines in most people. And when you look at this nerve, it's called a cranial nerve. The reason it's called a cranial nerve is it comes from your brain, and it literally sits about right here. So it's very hard to get to, but we found a new technology that allows us to inject anesthetic right into the nerve. It's so powerful and so effective that many patients tell us their headaches disappear in the office. Now, it does take repeated blocks in order to get your headaches to stay gone for good, but this is a very efficient, effective, and cost-efficient way of making sure that you never have to suffer another headache as long as you live. So again, the benefits in this office are you get all of our medical expertise, you get the best care available, and you get a choice of care. You choose and you tell us what's right for you. We're here to serve you. We look forward to seeing you soon. Have a great day.